Good day everyone, I'm Arceline Garder. So for today's video, we will talk about the three relevance that I've choose in the song entitled Betamax by Sandwich. The first one is Wally Gonzalez. A prominent blues musician, Gonzalez played a key role in introducing the blues genre to the Philippines. He was known for his soulful guitar playing and distinctive vocals. This line represents the blues influence in the Filipino music. The second one is Pepe Smith, known for his raw and powerful vocals. Smith is a legendary figure in Philippine rock music. He was the frontman of the iconic band Juan de la Cruz, which emerged in the 1970s. This line alludes to the raw, energetic, and somewhat rebellious spirit of Philippine rock. And the last one is Mike Hanupol. This line references Hanupol's role in the Baguette scene, a popular youth-oriented musical movement of the 1980s. Hanupol's band, the Eraserheads, became a major force in Filipino music, contributing to the rise of OPM or original Filipino music. This line represents a shift towards a more commercially accessible style of music.